Great to be joined by Maddie Tucker of StAndrewByTheSea United Methodist Church. You are the chairman of the Bridge Builders Committee, which has nothing to do with construction.
Yes,
right?
that's true. I would not be good there.
Talk about the kind of bridges that you guys are trying to build.
We're trying to build understanding of the racial animus and inequality, racism in our community and in our society, and address it through Scripture and what we should be doing as responsible human beings on this earth, and then being able to open it up to the community and as we educate ourselves to go ahead and educate those around us, including other faith-based organizations and community organizations.
All right, let's get educated. You're bringing in a wonderful speaker the first part of March. Tell us about her and what she's going to talk about.
Dr. Millicent Scott is, Dr. Millicent Brown is our speaker in the Dr. Julius Scott lecture series.
Okay.
And Dr. Scott was originally educator and civil rights advocate, as is Dr. Brown. And so she will be speaking on the first children to desegregate schools. She was from Charleston and was one of the first children herself.
Okay.
And now she's the co-founder and national initiative director for the Somebody Had to Do It project, which I think is a wonderful title.
Yeah.
And she's keeping track of all the children across the country who were the first in their area or in their school system to desegregate. And so we are lucky to have her. She's very well regarded.
She's on a national level, and yet she brings a local perspective to it all, because she was in our backyard.
Right here, yeah. She's based out of Charleston and travels nationally and globally, addressing civil rights and community abdication.
Right. What do you hope to hear from her?
Well, just to open our eyes, it's one of those things that you kind of, it's too easy to just go through your daily life and think, oh, that's somebody else's issue. And so to bring the awareness here as to what happens locally. I mean, we're in the hotbed of it in South Carolina, so we've got lots going on. And she'll be speaking for about an hour and a half. She'll have a visual presentation. So
it's fantastic. It's going to happen at StAndrewByTheSea, right?
Correct.
At the church.
Right.
And it's March the 4th. It's a Saturday morning at 10 a.m., so you're not letting your whole weekend get away from you.
Right.
But it's doable, and go get it. And you can find out more about it, WHHIUMC.com. And then there's a /Bridge Builders.
Bridge-Builders.
Dash Builders.
Yeah.
All right. Or you can call them. They'll let you know
Absolutely.
all about it. And any charge?
No charge. It's free in person. We're excited to have the Central Oak Grove Baptist Church Youth Choir to start it off.
Great.
And then we'll have a reception afterwards, so you can meet Dr. Brown. And we'd love an RSVP if just to kind of know what we need to provide for the reception. So,
and again, sounds like a great opportunity for all of us to open our minds, open our hearts, open up our souls, I guess, to what's going on around us.
It's a great opportunity. I hope people will take advantage of it.
I hope they will as well. Maddie Tucker of the Bridge Builders Committee, the StAndrewByTheSea United Methodist Church. On Pope Avenue.
Yes.
It's going to be a great program. Again, March the 4th at 10 a.m. You can either call them or go on that really kind of convoluted website like just give you and make it from there. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
All right, we will be back with more of the WHHI Daily News right after this.